Find the AP whose nth term is 7 minus 3k. Also find the 20th term. So how to solve these types of sum? So nth term is given over there in the question paper, that is 7 minus 3k. So we can write Tn is equal to 7 minus 3n. Okay. Or alternatively, you can put the tk is equal to 7 minus 3k. So variable n or k, anything you can do. But after that, you have to put the values of 1, 2, 3 in places of n. Okay. So t1 will be 7 minus 3 into 1. So that comes to 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. T2 will be the 1. T3 will be minus 2, like this. Okay. So what is the question? Find the first, we have to find the AP. So this is the AP series, and we have to find the values of the 20th term, that is the T20. So 7 minus 3 into 20, that comes to minus 53. So 20th term will be minus 53. Come to the next problem. Find the indicated terms in each of the following APs. So 1, 6, 11, 16, dot 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 A 20. So here the first term is A, common difference D will be the 6 minus 1 is equal to 5, or 11 minus 6 is equal to 5. Okay. So the common difference is 5. There is a formula an, that is the nth term, a plus n minus 1 into d. So a20, that is the 20th term, we can find out a plus n minus 1 into d. So a, that means the first term, put 1. Here the 20th term, so 20 in places of n we will put 20. So 20 minus 1 into d is equal to 5, so we can write 5. After that, the 2 or 3 step simplification, you will get 96. So A20 means 20th term is 96. Come to the next problem. Minus 4, minus 7, minus 10, minus 13 to dot 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 A25 an. That is, we have to find out the values of the 25th term. Okay. So how we will proceed? The first term a will be equal to minus 4. The common difference d will be equal to minus 4 minus 7 minus 4. So minus into minus, that comes to plus, automatically becomes plus. So minus 7 plus 4 is equal to minus 3. So first term a is equal to minus 4. The common difference will be minus 3. So this is the way. So A25 means the 25th term. So we have to mug up the formula, memorize it. A plus n minus 1 into d. So put the values of A, put the values of n means 25. Put the values of d, that is minus 3. You will get the 76. So A25 will be the 76, or a to the power n, that is nth term. So as we know that a plus n minus 1 into d. So a is equal to minus 4, n will become the n minus 1, and d automatically minus 3. A little bit simplification, you will get minus 1 minus 3, n will be the answer. Come to the next problem. Find the nth term and the 12th term of the list of the numbers, that is 5, 2, minus 1, minus 4. So first term is the 5, a will be 5. Common difference, that is the 2 minus 5 is equal to minus 3. Once you know the a and d, so automatically we can find out the nth term, that is a plus n minus 1 into d. Just put the values of a and d, because n will remain as it is n. You will get the 8 minus 3n. And what will be the 12th term? So write T12 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Put 12 in places of n, put the values of A and put the values of D. You will get 28 as the answer. Come to the next problem. If the common difference of an AP is minus 3 and the 18th term is 5, find the value of its first term. So the 18th term is given over there minus 5. D is given over there, that is the minus 3. Right now put the values, that is the 18th term, that is T18 is equal to minus 5 as it is given over there in the question. Right now put the values. A I don't know, but n a 18, put 18. D is equal to minus 3. After that a little bit calculation simplification, you will get the A is equal to 46. So the first term will be 46. Come to the next problem. If the first term of an AP is minus 18 and its 10th term is 0, then find its common difference. The first term is given over there minus 18 and 10th term is 0. So 10th term T10 is equal to 0. A minus 18, 10th term, so n will be is equal to 10. D I don't know. So from this equation you can calculate the values of the D, that is D will be is equal to 2. Come to the next question. Which term of the AP, that is the 3 8 13 18 dot 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 878, that which term is 78? So write the first term. A is equal to 3, common difference 8 minus 5, 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Okay, so 78 which is which term? So let's assume that nth term will be 78. So Tn 78 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, so put the values of the A and put the values of D. After that a little bit simplification, you will get the values of n, that will be 16. So 16th term will be the 78. Come to the next problem. 18, 15 whole 1 by 2, 13 dot 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 is 47, that is which term will be 47? So first term is the 18, common difference 15 whole 1 by 2 minus 18, that comes to minus 5 by 2. Okay, right now put that formula. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. In places of Tn put 47 minus 47. Put the values of A, put the values of D. N will remain in the equation, one equation with one unknown variable. So we can solve it. After few steps of simplification, we will get the values of n, that is equal to 27. Okay, so 27th term is minus 47. Come to the next problem. Check whether minus 150 is a term of an AP. So first term is 11, common difference 8 minus 11 is equal to minus 3. Okay, so let us assume that nth term will be 150. So write the Tn is equal to minus 150. We know the values of A, we know the values of D, but we don't know the values of n. So one equation with one unknown variable. So calculate it. A little bit simplification. You will get the values of the n. 54 by 2 by 3. So minus 50. So 54 whole 2 by 3. It's a fraction. So therefore minus 150 is not a term. If it is a whole number, then we can tell that yes, minus 150 will be a term. But the if a 54 whole 2 by 3, the meaning is that it's not a whole number, it's a fraction. So it cannot be a term of that particular AP. Come to the next problem. Find whether 55 is a term of the AP or not. If yes, find the which term it is. So A will be is equal to 7. Common difference 10 minus 7 will be 3. So we know the values of A. and values of D. So 50, 55. Let's assume that nth term is 55. So put 55 in place of Tn. Put the values of A. Put the values of D. So one equation, one unknown variable. So you will get the values of n. A little bit simplification. You will get the values of n is 17. Okay. So here the 55 is the 17th term of the AP. Come to the next problem. Find the 20th term from the last term. Find the 20th term from the last term of the AP. So 3, 8, 13 253. So here first term A is 3. Common difference 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Okay. So let's first find out that 253 is which term. So Tn will be is equal to 253. Put the values of the A and put the values of D. After that, a little bit simplification, you will get the values of n, that is 51. Therefore 255 is the 51st 51st term. Okay, fine. And next, come to the next problem. Find the 12th from the end. AP minus 2 minus 4 minus 6 minus 100. Okay, so let us assume that minus 100 is nth term. Okay. So A is minus 2. D is the minus 4 minus 2. That comes to minus 2. So put the n, that is Tn minus 100. Put the values of A. Put the values of the D. Calculate the values of n. A little bit simplification. You will get the values of n, that is 50. Therefore minus 100 is the 50th term. So assume that P be the 12th term from the last. Okay. So P is equal to L minus N minus 1 into D. Put this formula. After that, put the values of the here L 1 minus 100, N 12 minus 1 minus 2, D is equal to minus 2. You will get P is equal to minus 78. So therefore minus 78 will be the 12th term of the AP. Okay, find the sum of the two middle most terms of the AP. So what we have to do? See from the question, nth term, that is the 4 whole 1 by 3, that is 13 by 3. First term A will be equal to minus 4 by 3. The difference, the minus 1 minus 4 by 3, that comes to 1 by 3. Okay. So common difference D will be equal to 1 by 3. Now write Tn, that is 13 by 3. Put the values of A, put the values of D. A little bit simplification, you will get the values of n, that is 18. So middle term is 18 by 2 and 18 by 2 plus 1, that is 19th and 20th term. So A9 plus A20, sorry, A9 plus A10. So A plus 8D plus A plus 9D, that comes to 2A plus 17D. Now substitute the values of A and B. Just put the values of A and put the values of D. You will get ultimately 3. So therefore the sum of the two middle most term of the AP is 3. Okay. And come to the next problem. Which term of the AP 53, 48, 43 first negative term. So A will be is equal to 53, D common difference 48 minus 53, that comes to minus 5. Okay. So here the 53 is which term? So let's calculate Tn 53 is equal to C 53 A plus N minus 1 into D. A means here 53, N I don't know, N minus 1 into D means minus 5. A little bit calculation, you will get N is equal to 11.6. That the closest to 12. Okay. So therefore 12 term is the first negative term of that particular AP. Come to the next problem. Determine the AP whose third term is 16 and seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. So T3 is equal to 16. The seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. So T7 minus T5 is equal to 12. So we know that Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So T3 is equal to a plus 2d is equal to 16. That is the equation 2 or equation 1. Anything you can do. T7 minus T5 a plus 6d minus a plus 4d is equal to 12. Put it equation 2. The previous one is equation 1. This is equation 2. Or a little bit simplification, you will get the values of d. Now substitute the values of d in either equation 1 or equation 2. You will get the values of a, that is the a is equal to 4. So the AP 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. 10 plus 6 is equal to 16. That is the series, the first four term of that AP 4, 10, 16, 22, dot 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 dot.